Hello and welcome to today's video where we'll be discussing the role of innovation in business expansion. Innovation has become an increasingly important factor for businesses looking to grow and remain competitive in today's rapidly evolving marketplace. Firstly, let's define what innovation is. Innovation refers to the creation or improvement of products, services, processes, or business models that provide new value to customers and/or create new opportunities for the business. Innovation can take many forms, from incremental improvements to disruptive breakthroughs that transform entire industries. So, how does innovation drive business expansion? Let's take a look at some of the key ways. Creating new products and services. Innovation can help businesses create new products and services that meet changing customer needs and preferences and differentiate themselves from competitors. By offering unique and valuable products or services, businesses can attract new customers and expand their market share. Improving operational efficiency. Innovation can also help businesses streamline their operations and reduce costs, allowing them to operate more efficiently and effectively. This can free up resources to invest in growth opportunities, such as expanding into new markets or launching new products. Developing new business models. Innovation can also lead to the development of new business models that better align with changing market dynamics and customer preferences. For example, many traditional retailers are now experimenting with new e-commerce models that allow them to reach customers online and provide new value-added services. Encouraging collaboration and partnerships. Innovation can also foster collaboration and partnerships between businesses, leading to new opportunities for growth and expansion. For example, a technology company may partner with a traditional manufacturer to develop new smart products that combine hardware and software capabilities. So, how can businesses foster innovation and drive business expansion? Here are a few strategies. Cultivate a culture of innovation. Businesses can encourage innovation by creating a culture that values experimentation, creativity, and risk-taking. This can involve providing resources and support for employees to develop and test new ideas, and recognizing and rewarding innovative thinking. Invest in research and development. Businesses can also invest in research and development, R&D, to drive innovation. This can involve developing new technologies, improving existing products and services, or exploring new markets and opportunities. Stay abreast of industry trends and emerging technologies. To stay competitive, businesses must keep up with the latest industry trends and emerging technologies. This can involve attending conferences and events, monitoring industry publications and news, and partnering with technology providers and industry experts. Embrace open innovation. Finally, businesses can embrace open innovation by collaborating with customers, suppliers, and other stakeholders to develop new ideas and solutions. This can involve crowdsourcing ideas, hosting innovation challenges, and building partnerships with other businesses. Innovation can come in many forms, such as new product development, process improvement, or exploring new markets and industries. It's important for businesses to stay up to date on the latest trends and technologies to remain competitive and expand their reach. One example of a company that has successfully leveraged innovation for business expansion is Amazon. From its beginnings as an online bookstore, Amazon has constantly innovated and expanded into new markets, including e-commerce, cloud computing, and even physical retail stores. Another example is Tesla, a company that has disrupted the automotive industry through its innovative electric vehicles and focus on sustainable energy. By challenging the traditional gasoline-powered car, Tesla has expanded its reach beyond just car manufacturing, into areas such as energy storage and solar power. Innovation can also help small businesses expand by finding new ways to solve customer problems or offer unique value propositions. For example, a small tech startup might develop a new app that simplifies a common task, or a food truck might create a unique twist on a classic dish. Innovation can also help businesses stay ahead of the curve and adapt to changing market conditions. For example, during the COVID-19 pandemic, many businesses had to pivot their operations and find new ways to reach customers, such as offering online ordering and delivery or curbside pickup. By embracing innovation, businesses can not only expand their reach but also create new opportunities for growth and success. Whether it's through new products, processes, or markets, innovation is key to staying competitive in today's rapidly changing business landscape. In conclusion, the role of innovation in business expansion cannot be overstated. It allows businesses to remain competitive, explore new markets, and create unique value propositions for their customers. From Amazon to Tesla to small startups, innovation has been a driving force behind success stories in business. By embracing innovation and staying up to date on the latest trends and technologies, businesses can position themselves for growth and success in the years to come. Are you struggling to grow your business? Book a free consultation with us today and let our marketing experts help you take your business to the next level. With our proven strategies and tactics, we'll help you attract more customers, increase sales, and drive growth. Don't miss out. Schedule your free consultation now and start seeing results. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more great content.